All right, guys. Good morning. How you guys doing? So I wake up this morning and having a problem. Switch the keys on. Yeah, my low air light came on and the low battery. But when I pressed the start, it just dead. Nothing. So what I did, check the batteries. Batteries were good. Check this wire because this wire is a power wire and it has a fuse. Fuse was good. Then I remember one time I was playing around with some wires over here. This is a FLD with a 60 series pre-EGR. No, this has EGR. It has EGR on it. So I realized that this solenoid controls the starter. So when you touch these two together, the truck should start. When you touch these two, it should start. So this wire goes inside the truck. So the problem I was having is the solenoid. The solenoid is bad, so it won't able to bridge the start. When you press the button inside, it's not sending a signal to the starter. And if that happens, when you press the button and you get no starter, you can come right here, switch the truck on. You can come right here and you touch this one and this one, this little one right here. Maybe you can see it because of sunlight, but this one right here and this one, and the truck will start. So that was my issue. Woke up this morning, tried to start the truck up. There's no not getting anything from the starter. So I figured that there's an electrical issue and this was the problem. Solenoid. Alright guys, thank you for watching.